Okay, this one's going to be a short. Cleaning out the desk before I get the floors and the walls redone, after the flood. So anyway, cleaning out the desk literally, because I'm going to get rid of the desk and, trying to make room and organize stuff before I get the floors and walls done. And this is the manuals out of my desk. These are my reference manuals. Not the only manuals I got. These were in my desk. My reference manuals. I get people from time to time say, you don't know what you're talking about, yada yada. Okay, I want to say this, screw you. Basically, these have all been read, gone through, internalized, and everything else, and I keep in the desk as a reference when I run into something, or want to touch up or don't remember something. So, my references here, from my desk, and that's my go-to stuff and what I use. But the main one, if you're gonna mess with amplifiers and you really want to know what you're doing, is the Bill Orr Radio Handbook. As you can see, this is well used and worn out, and this is my real reference for most things amplifier, is the Bill Orr Radio Handbook there. And I suggest, if you really want to know amplifiers, get that, read that, study that. It's not an easy book. It's very technical, and it assumes you know something, that you got a starting point as far as electricity and RF and all that other stuff. But Bill Orr Handbook is the book, and we get people on Facebook and even here on YouTube say, hey, teach me some stuff, Tram Doctor. You ought to do a teach me and show me stuff. Well, this stuff ain't easy. I mean, how can somebody teach you this stuff, right? My reference page is pie charts on the output. But anyway, teach you that? No, it ain't gonna happen. It's a process. It's like somebody in high school, like, I want to know electrical engineering or something. Teach me that. Can't quite do it. Anyway, getting the room organized, putting stuff on shelves and racks, and getting ready to redo the radio room. Not soon, but coming. Anyway, that's it for this one. Told you I'd keep it short. Bye.